Is there a custom program or website you want to be able to open from the POS? Guess what? You can on today's edition of FTx Facts. If you have an external program or website that you want cashiers to be able to access, like a third-party time clock application or internal company wiki or website, you can add a button to the POS that will handle this. Let's take a look how in Control Center. From Control Center, we'll navigate to Maintenance, Settings, and Panels, and we'll edit the panel we want the button to appear on. The button type is going to be Open Local Program or Open Website URL, depending on which you need. In this case, we want to open a website. Here, I would enter in the website I wish to open and simply save. As with other buttons, we can customize the look and feel of it. You can also require manager permission to use it. And once configured, the button will appear just like the other buttons and will launch the specified action or website when pressed. That's this edition of FTx Facts.